Hi, I'm Anne-Marie from BikeFinder, and in this video we will go through the different tracker modes and their purpose. You have control over the different modes in the BikeFinder app. So first you open the app, select your tracker and tap the button that displays the available modes. Depending on your tracker version, you will see 3 or 4 different modes. For everyday use, we would recommend you to use either standard or security mode. In standard mode, you get position updates in the app approximately every 10 minutes during movement and every 24 hours if no movement is detected. We recommend switching to this mode while riding your bike. Then we also have security mode. This mode is exactly like standard mode, but you also receive push notifications on your phone when there's a movement detected. In addition, you can opt to receive an audible alarm along with the push notifications. You can enable or disable the audible alarm in the BikeFinder app right here. Select Allow Critical Alert. This setting overrides your phone settings, so you will receive an audible alarm even when your phone is on silent. We recommend using this mode when your bike is parked, even at home, as many thefts occur on private property. Next, we have tracking mode. This mode is for when your bike is actually stolen, so you will constantly receive a new location update in your BikeFinder app. When you get closer to your bike, you will receive a Bluetooth location, so make sure Bluetooth is turned on your phone. For the final stage of recovery, use the Bluetooth distance counter to pinpoint the exact location of your bike, especially if you have different floors. If you're unsure how to use the distance counter, check out our video about the different signals. Only use tracking mode when actually searching for your stolen bike, because this mode is the most power consuming. Some trackers have a passive mode. So if you have a passive mode on your tracker, we would still recommend you to not use it, especially if you have insurance, because your insurance will not be valid in passive mode. Thank you so much for watching. If you still have questions, feel free to contact BikeFinder support.